Hi and welcome guys today, and in this video I will be showing you how to make origami paper momentum plane. Yes guys, this is very famous plane and it flies very nicely. And after the video I will try to make a test video on this. If maybe not in this video, I'll upload it separately onto YouTube, and if you like, make sure to watch it. And also if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe and share my content because I like my followers and I'll be very obliged. Okay, so that's origami momentum. So for this model, you can use any origami rectangular paper. You can use color sheets, but for this video, I will be using origami. It's not an origami paper. This is A4 sheet, yellow A4 sheet. So in this video, I'll be using this. Okay, so stick with me because it will be very fun. Okay, so first step is to take this side and align it with this side like this. Open it back. Now the next step is to inline this with this fold and inline this with this fold. So both of them will be in the middle. And make sure to make a point. The top point should be pointed. Now crease. So after you are done, the next step is to fold this point in between the middle of these two like this, and make sure that this line should be in line with the main line over here. And now crease. After you complete this step, the next step is to inline this in the middle line and line this into the middle line. So you'll take the upper portion and inline this line and this line with this. So it will look like this. And you make a crease. Next is the same thing from other way around. And now crease. After you complete this step, the next step is to inline this in until this point. So this should be in line with here. And guys, make sure that they are straight. And now crease. After you complete this step, I want you to turn it over and make it into half like this, nice and smooth. Like this. And now crease. So after you have made this, now I want you to align this line, this fold till here. So your plane will look like this. Crease it nicely. Turn it around. Now align this till here. And your plane will look like this. Now open the flaps. And this is how you make origami momentum plane. Guys, if you like this tutorial, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and